Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pay Robinhood credit card. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. All you need to do is to simply search for the Robinhood Golden credit card, or you can simply just go to uh, the Robinhood credit card. And basically then you can start joining the whitelist or joining the wish list, and then you can reserve your own gold card. And all you need to do is just to click here on reserve your spot, and basically you need just to add the email where you are going to receive an invite for the credit card, and you can simply click on it and join the waitlist, and you will after that receive an email for having your golden card. And basically here you can find all the other features like on how to invest, and after that you can start using your credit card, and as you can see you will be able to start using it, and you can also uh, check your Robinhood legend, and you can start using the latest Robinhood interface and all the other feature of Robinhood, etc., etc. And as you can see, you can after that also start using your credit card for the other operations like the futures, options, etc. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.